So in heat one, team scoring here, Palos Verdes, they're going to easily move on. Santa Margarita and Yorba Linda, points separating them both will easily advance. Buena, they will also finish off the next Saturday.
Off the white line.
Let's go! Let's go,
Come on, Sequoia! Let's go, Sequoia! Let's go, Tiana! Let's go, Tiana! Ryan!
Let's go, Ryan! Attack the hill, Ryan! Let's go!
Let's go, Margarita! Come on, Margarita! Come on, Margarita! Let's go, downhill!
Let's go, Emily! Let's go, Saray!
Let's go, Emily!
Let's go, Natalie!
Let's go, Daddy!
Let's go, Daddy!
Let's go, Daddy!
Let's go, Arlene!
Let's go, Arlene! Let's go, Arlene! Hey, Lashley! Let's go, Anna! You're going to put those arms. Remember, every downhill, try to be on your toes. Good job, Anna. Good job, Anna. Big one. Big one. Let's go. Let's go, Julian. Let's go. Let's go.
Moorpark come to lead all of its scorers, in fact all 7 of its runners in that top group of about 15. They're in the brown tops with the yellow shorts. They are moving up as a group. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 7 of its runners in the top 9. Like Cristobal Waller-Gorski of Redondo and the 7 runners of Newberry Park.
Going back to Division III Girls Heat 3, Madison Perrone. She was your winner there at 18:29. Marjorie Lopez of Shadow Hills at 18:46. Sequoia Gonzalez of Torrance at 19 flat. So right now, Oak Park going to easily qualify and move on, along with Torrance, North Torrance, and South Torrance. Those squads will be moving on to next week's CIF finals here. Invite you guys all to join us again as we get ready here for Heat 2 of Division I boys.
And here come the leaders of the boys Division I Heat 1. It's like the sophomore Deb Doshi of Newberry Park pushing the pace.
Oh, it is so quick. There's a lot of contact in this one.
Doshi at the halfway point right at 8:20. And here comes there, all 7 boys there in the top 9.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Newberry Park, top-ranked team in the country. 2019, they were Division II champions. This year, they're now in Division I. Doshi goes up the switch, poop out as a leader. Zaki Blunt, Newberry Park, his teammate in second. Waligorski, the one in the red, is from Redondo Union, and the other, Aaron Thomas. And then it's Aaron and Colin Solomon, Leo and Lex Young, and Daniel Appleford. Justin Singer of Cyprus, James Guerrero of Downey, Aiden Buchanan, and Joseph Pulo of Valencia. Then Jordan Chung of the Valencia in Placentia, Tyler Chang of Valencia in Valencia. Newberry Park score at the halfway point, 18. Good battle. Redondo running well. They've got 71. It's going to be a good battle for those 4th and the final spot, with the Valencia 109, Roosevelt 115, and then Valencia Placentia a little bit further back with Cypress, Polly, Beckman, Etowanda, and Seegerston. Doshi still continues to lead, 10:20 at 2 miles, 10:20.
But this would still be the same way.